Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your PC runs Windows 10 version 1803 or newer, and that TPM is enabled in firmware. Once done, open Start, go to Settings, then Update and Security, and enter Windows Security. Navigate to Device Security and open Core Isolation Details. This is where memory integrity lives. You do this now because memory integrity depends on virtualization and drivers, and seeing the toggle reveals blocked drivers. Take note of any driver names listed before proceeding. Next, focus on the core issue, blocked drivers. When Core Isolation reports incompatible drivers, write down the exact file names and vendor names. Then open Device Manager, locate the devices using those drivers, and choose Update Driver or Uninstall Device. Alternatively, download the latest signed driver from the manufacturer. Use Windows Update as a secondary step to fetch Microsoft signed drivers. Reboot after each driver change, because memory integrity checks run at boot and will only clear the blocker when the updated driver is active. Finally, enable memory integrity by switching the toggle in Core Isolation Details and then restart your PC so the setting takes effect. If the toggle flips back or won't enable, remove or roll back any recently added unsigned drivers because they commonly block virtualization-based security. Make sure Secure Boot and Virtualization are enabled in firmware, since Core Isolation relies on them. If problems persist, reinstall drivers using Microsoft-signed packages or contact the hardware vendor for updated signed drivers. That normally resolves persistent blockages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.